Hi, CAT done what next? Since CAT is done, and assuming that you have prepared hard for the exam, pat your back. Be happy. What's more important than winning is to be happy with the process of working hard. As long as you've given your effort, you've given your best, that is what is more important, and that will make you more successful than the results. Remember that. So if you really put in your hard work, pat your back. Be happy about it. It's the first thing that you should do. How was CAT for you? Most must have given up on CAT results. It was tough. That's what happens when the exam is tough, especially the con section was tough. So by the time you came out, a lot of algebra. So you must have found it tough in a sense, like must have not solved too many questions. So when you came out of the exam hall, a lot of people were down. So okay, tough, perfectly all right, no problem at all. Okay, don't take a decision of CAT till the results come out or till the response sheet come out because we don't know what happens. In a tougher examination, the cutoff drops down drastically. Last year was a tough paper, this year was a tougher paper. So in that case, you could expect a little drop in the the cutoffs. So we don't know still what happens. So even if you maybe have solved 2-3 questions in max or 3-4 questions in DLR, you may still clear the cutoff. We don't know. So let's keep our fingers crossed and wait for the results, how it comes, what it comes. Only then will we come to know. Till the response sheet comes out, even if you solve 2 questions, wait. Okay. Since the paper was tough, there is always hope. Whenever the paper is tough, the cutoff drops down drastically. So there is always hope as such. What should you do? What next? I normally recommend that once you've done that hard work, give yourself a break. Reward yourself. One way to reward yourself is take a break, 1 to 3 days, depending on your scenario. If you have an exam coming up immediately, don't take too much of a break. Maybe today's day and then maybe start looking at the exams. If you don't have anything immediately coming up, take a break for 1 to 3 days. You worked hard for CAT, as I said. Reward yourself for that. Very important. Be happy with the fact that you worked hard. Okay, just enjoy. Do what you want to do. Just enjoy whatever you want to do. And watch movies, some binge watching, anything, games, etc. Don't think of CAT till the response sheet is out. You can't predict CAT exam. You people go and look at the answers of what was the answer right, how many wrong. You can't make out till the response sheet is out. You would not be able to come to know how have you performed, because even if you know you have done so much, we don't know how others have performed. Only once the response sheet is out and when people put their marks out, then would you come to know approximately where you stand, where you're not. And response sheet will come out in few days. So in that case, just hold on. Maybe less than a week's time, maybe 4-5 days time, you will get your response sheet and you will have a fair idea of your results. So wait for that 4 to 5 days as such, and then maybe we can talk about CAT further. Step 2, decide on the exams you give. There is still that ZAT form which is still available. You can look at other exams like CMAT, Maharashtra CET, CUET, PG if you're interested in those exams. Right? Think, what all exams you want to give. There are still exams. You can still get management college this year. Try to figure out if you're really interested in doing management this year. Apply. Give your best shot. There's no harm in doing that. It's important to work hard. It's not that if not done well in CAT, it's the end. You still do well in the other exams. Okay, there's always hope as far as possible. Step 3 is colleges. Make the list of colleges to apply. We will come up with videos to help you. We'll come up with videos to help you about the exams, about the colleges, about different things. So we'll help you out with that. But come list of colleges to apply to. What colleges, what not. Ideally, for the CAT colleges, you'll do it after the CAT response should come out. But yes, keep that in the back of the mind. Make a list of colleges, find out which are you interested in, and based on your response sheet, then you can apply. If possible, as I said, apply once the response sheet is out, because then you have a fair idea about where you stand and whether you clear the cutoff or not. That's what you can do. Okay. All the best for your results. Anyway, we'll come up with videos that will help you and guide you. So stay tuned.